As we ponder on the Igbo question, let me make it clear that we can only reap what we plant. When we plant peace and love, as we are currently doing across Nigeria, we shall find that which we earnestly seek. We should take opportunities of the vast space called Nigeria, given our geographical spread, to unleash our God-given talents for the attainment of our goals. What we seek may be delayed, but it can never be denied. When we reflect on where the rain started beating us, we will come to the inevitable conclusion that we have made some mistakes, more from the heart than from the head. Because we trust easily, because we are quick to make friends. But the greatest of it all is that we are weak in negotiations. We are often not as diplomatic as we ought to be. Perhaps our greatest vein is the popular Nzobu Nzobu Enyimba. That spirit in us probably is where we have not been able to manage. This spirit probably deludes us into believing that we can do it all alone, or into hoping that someday manna will fall from heaven and give us the day. In the book already referred to, I made it clear that our desire for a Nigerian president of Igbo extraction can only be accomplished through negotiated agreements, as no one ethnic group can produce the president of Nigeria without the support of the other ethnic groups. Sadly, because we appear deficient in negotiation skills, we have not made much headway in this regard. I want to welcome and wish all of us a very memorable experience as we celebrate our father, our mentor and leader, Chief Emmanuel Iwayan.